Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Welcome back to another video with Fountain Fox. Today's a little bit different of a video. Kind of an emergency, kinda. To get you up to speed, basically last week, my dad had hit me up and let me know that his 2002 GMC Sierra that he uses as his pool truck for his pool company was having a little bit of a weird starting issue. At first we thought it was the neutral safety switch. I guess he has replaced the neutral safety switch and the truck still won't start. That was after leaving one of his customers and the truck wouldn't start at all, so we got it towed home. Luckily, he's got good old Sylvia, my old 2003 truck, for him to be able to drive around and do his pulls in. So this morning, I got up early. I'm rolling over to the shop now. We're gonna try and figure out why it won't start. I got a pretty good guess at what's going on, but you never know until you're actually working on the truck. So let's get over to the shop and we will see how this 280,000 mile 2500 HD pickup truck is feeling today. Also, I'm pretty cool. This is my first video filming on my GoPro Hero 11. I just picked it up from my local Best Buy a couple nights ago. I did a couple of test shots with it. I tested out the time warp as well as just kind of did a silly little just one shot, one take in my house just to see how it looks. So we're gonna be figuring out its pros and cons as well in this video. We'll see how it does. I got the Creator Edition, so it's got this really cool little handle that'll charge the camera, as well as a little media mod with the audio feller on there. And we're gonna find out just how good GoPro set up their Hero 11. Louie Cat, what's up, buddy? All right, there's the old girl. 280,000 mile 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, two-wheel drive with the 6.0 and the 4L80. Man, this truck's been good, although it does look like it's getting a little old and starting to leak there. So let's go find out what's going on with it. And there's good old Sylvia.
And I found 3 or 4 different guys doing this, so.
Nothing.
Nothing.
And that's between what pin and what pin?
30 and 87.
30 and 87 on your relay.
Which is?
Starter relay. 30.
30.
Focus.
And 87.
And 87.
That's what I'm saying. You got, now I'm assuming it's making contact. It's going down in there. Pretty far.
Should be enough. And the key's on.
He's on. I can hear the radio playing.
Key's on.
So according to all that, it's a starter.
I would guess it's the starter after hearing the relay clicking. Well, I guess this wasn't that difficult. Knock on wood yet. Let's see if that battery actually is good. 9.9, it's dying.
Ooh, it's dying fast.
So I said the battery is probably also worn out.
So I wonder if is it shorting through the starter? Because yesterday it was 12 point.
Oh, it's like that's a draw? It
Yeah,
could.
when you're trying to start it.
Wow, your interior lights draw one whole volt. It's up to 10.8 now.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe it's time to put LEDs in there, dude. Yeah, now we're down to 10.
Okay, ready?
9.9.
Nothing? No change?
I mean 9.6, but well, I guess.
Where all the power steering fluid's coming from.
Hey, you okay?
Okay, we're gonna pull this out and throw it on the charger because it won't test a not fully charged battery.
Well, that's stupid. Oh, there we go. You want to take my truck or the Jeep?
Oh, whichever.
My truck would be easier to get that in and out.
Yeah, it will.
What's the date on the side of that?
I don't have to look yet. 20?
Only 3 years?
Oh, shit.
It could be.
I'll get some proration out of it.
I mean, unfortunately 3 years has kind of been what Duralast has been getting nowadays out of their batteries.
The screw inside of that so you can charge it. I can't find it.
Oh.
But I tell you, it's 3/8/16 thread, and these go right in.
Okay, so we'll let this charge while we take the starter out, I guess. After a very long time at friggin' AutoZone, they finally confirmed that the starter is bad. Supposedly it's short to ground, so let's get it installed and see if that is the core of our issues. Should be enough. Well, we'll find that out after we get the starter in here. I would suggest it. Okay, so let's see here. Take this crap off because we don't need troubleshooters. I am the troubleshooter. Oh, that's stuck to my glove.
What, you don't like the sticker?
Well, it's super long and doesn't need to get stuck in your flywheel.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's put the cover on first. Shield, I should say.
Yeah, I guess it's easier to put it on first.
Yeah, it is. Oops, too much.
Right about there.
Really?
Well, maybe they were lucky enough not to get wrecked.
Well, there was, as they went by, there was one, the grandstand ended here, and the corner grandstand stopped there. And it could have went in between them, but...
Hey, Bob.
Yeah.
Bobcat. It's not where you put your tools, buddy. Get out of your fly.
Don't do that for
Excuse me. Oh, sorry, YouTube. Oh, tastes like a donut. Moment of truth. Fixed. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I am already headed back home. Luckily, it didn't take too much to get the old GMC fired back up again. Yeah, we did that cool little test where if you take out the relay, you can test to see if it's a control side or if it's a mechanical side, with it being the starter. Turned out that obviously the alternator was bad, and that, so thanks for watching this short video. I hope that it was somewhat informational, and we will see you guys in the next one.